What we can write for A, Praharshan?
Sir, it's 4.
Yeah, it's cube root of 64. That is 4. Adarsh, do you know how 4 is coming over here? Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
All right, because 64, we are just taking the LCM of this one. Okay. So 4 is repeating 3 times. So we have to take it out once. So we got the side of the cube. Okay. So this is 4 centimeter. So this is nothing but side of the cube is equals to what? 4 centimeter. We'll just write in one bracket. So put it one. So this we got the side of the cube is 4 centimeter. So two cubes are joined end to end. So first cube I just draw like this. I just made in the corner. One cube is here and second cube same. Okay, same here only. So if you draw the cube like this, it will come into this position. Okay, two cubes are joined. This all sides are A, that is 4, 4 and 4. Okay, all are 4, 4, 4. So we have to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Including both the cube, we are getting one resulting cuboid, right? So this cuboid, what is the length of cuboid, children? Praharshan, what is the length of cuboid?
Sir, 8.
Okay, cuboid length is equals to 8 centimeter. What is breadth, Praharshan?
Sir, that's 4.
Yeah, and height is
4.
4 centimeter. So this length, breadth and height is clear to everyone? Length, breadth and height is clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
So we have to find surface area. Surface, if they ask surface area, so we have to find TSA. Don't find CSA and all. If they asking surface area, you should find total surface area. So what is the formula of total surface area, Javian?
So length into breadth.
Length into breadth is area of rectangle. Total surface area, that I told you, very easy method, right? Area of all the walls including ceiling as well as floor. Adarsh, do you know? Adarsh,
Yes, sir.
tell me the TSA formula.
Cuboid, sir.
Yeah, cuboid.
2 into LB plus PH plus L.
Very good. So see, this one side is length into breadth, other side is breadth into height, and height into length. We are repeating all the things twice. Okay. Now putting the value over here, what we are getting, 2 into LB, that is 8 into 4 plus 8 into is there plus breadth into height, means 4 into 4 plus height 4 into 8. So we can write it as 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32. So 2 into 32, 32, 64, 64 and 16. What is that? 80, right? So we'll get 160 centimeter square. Area is already square, children. Okay. Area is always in square. Okay. So anyone having doubt in this, children? Anyone having doubt? First question is finished for you. In this way, we have to think. All right. Next question is Hemant, Nihant and Drishi. Please on the camera. I should not repeat all the time, children. Drishi and Nihant.
Sir, 2 minutes.
See, a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere. Hemisphere, and that is hollow. So you can draw one hemisphere over here. Hemisphere is like, you know, You can do like this, and you can make one hemisphere in this. Hemisphere will be like this, okay? So this is a hemisphere, okay? So here, hollow hemisphere. This is a form of hollow hemisphere. Hemisphere, right? This is not cylinder. Hemisphere. How hemisphere looks like, children? Like a circle, no? Hemisphere will be look like mounted by hollow cylinder. We are just did correctly only. Okay, 1 minute, Jay. See, hemispherical. The vessel is a form of hollow hemisphere. This is a vessel. See, down is a vessel. This is hemisphere, okay? Hemispherical vessel is there, and on this one cylinder is mounted on this hemisphere. Cylinder is mounted on the hemisphere. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. So we can find the radius. Radius we can write it as 14 by 2. That is 7 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Diameter is 14 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Then total height of the vessel is 13. See, if this radius is 7, it means this part from this one to this one is what? Tell me, children. This one is 7, right? 7 centimeter, correct? So what will be the height? This part becomes what? Tell me, children. What would be this height? Tell me, Hemant.
Sir, the height would be
Total height of the vessel is given 13 centimeters.
sir, the height would be 6 centimeters, sir.
6 centimeter. Very good. The 13 minus 7 we should do. So 6 centimeter. This is the height of cylinder part. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. We have to find the inner surface area of the vessel. So which area we should consider, that we have to think over it. Okay. I'm just coloring over here what you should consider. See, if you're filling the water in this, which area you should consider? See, this part area and this part area you should consider. So this
Sir,
will,
it is curved surface area.
yeah, exactly. Inner curved surface area is inner only, no, inside. So this part you should consider. Then again, next part you should consider this part. Okay. So now first you tell me orange part. Orange part you can see, no, orange. Orange part is nothing but what? That one is CSA of hemisphere. Okay. CSA of hemisphere. Again, add. This is your yellow part is your what? Yellow part is CSA of cylinder, right? This is for CSA of cylinder. See, why we are not considering this top part and all? Because this is not covered. Only inner part they're asking. Inner part is what? This down part, this one, and this part. Okay, only circular part. So here water will go. It can't touch. Where you can feel, where you can feel the surface. Inside surface, where you can feel. This you can't feel. Here you can't feel the surface over here. That is blank, right? Then again, this also we can't feel. What you can feel by the hand, that you should think. Xavier, it's clear? Others?
Sir, it is.
So we are adding here CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. So we can write here better. We can write here as surface area of vessel. Inner surface area of vessel is equals to inner surface area of vessel is equals to CSA of cylinder, hemisphere, and CSA of cylinder. Samarth, what is CSA of hemisphere?
Yes, sir. Sir, CSA of hemisphere, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Curved surface. 2 pi r square.
2 pi r square plus Javian, CSA of cylinder.
The CSA of cylinder.
Yeah,
The pi r square, right?
that is volume. Okay, pi r square is volume. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r. So first of all, you should see, children, r is same for both.
Sphere cubed.
Separately, you can write for r. R for cylinder. That is, what is the r for cylinder? What is r for cylinder, children? 7 centimeter. R of hemisphere, that is also 7 centimeter. And height is equals to what? Height of the cylinder, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, children, these three things is clear to everyone. Radius of cylinder is
Sir.
7. Yeah.
Sir, isn't the CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r cubed?
No, cube is always coming in that volume. 2 by 3 pi r cube, that is volume. Okay.
Okay.
You should see the dimension. See, one, no need to remember anything, children. See, here r square is there. The radius is nothing but meter square only. And this is nothing but what? CSA. If meter cube will come, that become what? Volume. Understood? If by seeing the dimension only you can understand r square is there means. Okay, r square there means what? It is surface area. Understood? Here also see. Here is radius and height. The radius is meter and height is also meter. So this both is what? Meter square. This is nothing but what? Area only. Understood? Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
So by dimension also you can understand how, which is area, which is volume. Suppose you are writing pi r square h. See, r square is meter square and h is meter. If you include both, what will come? Meter to the power 3, right?
Yes.
So like that you can understand whether it is CSA, TSA or normal volume. So children, here if you see, common is 2 pi r square. Better you write here 2 pi, you write 22 by 7. R square radius is 7 into 7 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, that is 7 into 6. Why I am writing completely? Why I am not taking common? You know, children, why I am not writing common? Starting only. Sometimes what happens? No, the radius of cylinder or the height of the cylinder and something will be there that will not match together. In this question, you can take directly common, but some question what will happen? That will not match exactly. This is 7 and this may be some different thing. So now you can take common. What is common in both? 2 into 22 by 7 is common. Again into 7 is common. We can write in bracket 7 plus 6. 7 got cancelled. So we can write here as 44 into 13. What is 44 into 13? 13 fours are 52. 52 and 50. 52. 52, 57. 57 what? Centimeter square. Check the answer, children. We are getting the same answer or not?
Yes,
Sir, I got a 571.48 centimeter square.
What you are using? Pi value 3.14.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe. Okay. And you are using calculator, I think. Correct? No.
No, sir.
So anywhere doubt, Chanchal? You are having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Rasool, you are getting?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
All right. So now question number 3rd. A toy is in a form of cone. The radius is 3.5 centimeter. Mounted on a hemisphere. Mounted on a hemisphere. 1 minute. Toy is in a form of cone mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. So toy is from cone, it's a form of cone and mounted on a hemisphere. It means hemisphere is down. It means that hemisphere is down and your cone is coming like up. Okay, children, it's coming like this. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So twice in a form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. So you can write here radius of the cone, that is 3.5 centimeter. Total height of the toy is 15.5. Total height of toy is equals to 15.5 centimeter. So see, if this radius is 3.5, it means if you see this part, if you see this one from here to here, this height is nothing but what? 3.5 centimeter. Correct, children? This radius you see, this radius as well as this is also radius because it's a part of hemisphere, right? So if you see this one or this one, both will be same, 3.5 centimeter only. Others, then tell me from top to here, what is the distance from top to here? What is the height of cone?
12
What is,
meters.
huh?
12, sir.
12 meters. 12 centimeter. Very good, others. 12 centimeter or something else?
Centimeters only.
15.5 minus 3.5, right? It is coming
Sir.
12 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find total surface area of the toy. So total TSA, you write better. Total surface area of toy is equals to total surface area of the toy. See, children, here total surface area is namesake, for namesake only. What I told you, if they ask total surface area or any surface area, which part you can feel with hand, that you should consider. Praharshan, tell me, in total surface area, we have to consider total surface area of cone plus total surface area of hemisphere or something else. Which part you can feel, that you should think over it. Praharshan.
The outer part.
See, which
So
part
like
you
the
can feel.
CS.
Yeah, PSA of. Yeah, say.
The cone.
Hemant, you tell. We have
Sir,
to what we have to find here.
over here you have to find the TS of a cone. So you basically get curved surface area, and the formula for TSA of cone is pi r into L plus R. And
That is TSA, no. So here TSA is required or CSA is required for the cone.
so for the cone, CSA.
But you can't feel, no. See, what you can feel, that is just here I'm coloring it off. See, what I can feel the toy. Suppose one small child is there, he's having this toy. So which part you can feel with your hand, that you should think. Yeah, Samarth, you tell, then I'll explain.
Yes, sir. So first we have to find the L of the cone, and
All
then we
right.
have to find the lateral surface area or the curved surface area of the cone, and also the curved surface area of the hemisphere.
Very
and
good.
add them both.
Yeah, see children, what to do. What I can feel here is, see, this part is your, you can feel this part, right? Again, you can feel this part. And in the cone one, what you can feel, sorry, hemisphere one, you can feel only this part. Apart from this, you can feel anything by your hand. Tell me, Chanchal.
No, sir.
See, here TSA of toy is given over here. So don't find TSA of hemisphere and TSA of cone. For that, you should see that which part you can feel with your hand. So you should write here TSA of, sorry, CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. Okay, so write the formula over here. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cone is pi r l. So r is same for both things. Here l is not given to us. How to find l, Chanchal? How to find l? See here h is given to us. This is nothing but h. This one part is h. Okay. And radius also you know. How to find L, Chanchal? See in this triangle, if you see this triangle part. This is like Pythagoras theorem we can use. Radius is equals to 3.5 centimeter and h is equals to 12 centimeter. So L is equal to, this is the longest side. L is this much. So L is equals to root over h square plus r square. Is it clear, Chanchal?
Yes, sir.
So we can write here as h square is nothing but 12 square plus 3.5 square. So we can write it as 144 plus 3.5 into 3.5. Javian, what is that?
Yes, sir. 3.5.
Into 3.5. 12.25, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what we can write here? Root over.
Sir, can we just convert 3.5 into fraction and then solve that?
Yeah, you can do that, not a problem. See, I know the easy method. No, that's why I did here. See, 35 into 35. After 3, what is coming? 4. After 3, what is coming? 4. The 3 4s are 12, 25. Suppose I want 95 into 95. So what I should do? 9 after 9, what is coming? 10. So 9 into 10 is what? 90. 90, 25. Understood? So this is a short tricks. Vedic maths like that. You can calculate if you know, you can do easy. 25 into 25, 625. So after that, you should, what is the digit is there that you can do. That also you can do whatever you want. No, that also can convert into fraction, not a problem. And here see, for 144 plus 12. What do we get here? 426. What do we get here? 0.25. 166 you are getting.
Yes, sir. 156.
156, right? So
Yes,
your
sir.
answer is 12.25. Just check. 12, not 12.5, not 12.25, 12.5. Root of 156.25 is 12.5. How I did, see, 12.5 into 12.5. After 12, what is coming? 13. And 12 into 13 is what? 156.25. Understood? In that way, I have solved this. So these are these bit small shortcuts are there. You can remember if you want. Okay. So 156.25. Otherwise, you have to take the square root of it. Otherwise, other way, if you don't know, the other way you have to use like this. 15625 divided by 100. Then you should take root. Then down part, that is 10. And this one you have to find. Okay, this will come 125 if you find. The answer is 12.5. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here L we got as 12.5. Now put the value over here. What is common in this? 2 pi is common over here. In bracket we can write 2r square plus r also is common over here. Pi r both is common. Pi r is common. You can write here 2r plus L. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 bracket 2 into 3.5 plus length, that is 12.5. So 7 5s are 35, 0.5. So 22 into 0.5 is what? 11. 11 into 3.5 into 2, 7 plus 12.5. 12.5 plus 7, 19.5. 11 into 19.5. And 19.5 into 11. 11 5s are 55. Carry 5. 11 9s are 99. 99 and 5. 104. 10. 11 and 10. 21. 214.5 centimeter square. See the answer, children. They're getting the same or different answer.
Got this answer.
Different answer is there.
No, sir. Same, sir.
Sir, it's the same answer.
Okay.
Same answer, sir.
All right, all right. I was not having confidence. Whether it's same answer or different answer. So we have to try, keep on trying, children. Simply, if you are getting the answer well and good, you will get the step marking. Otherwise, you have to be proper. Okay. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask, children. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Any word, having doubt anywhere? Drishi, time got over, 2 minutes got over, still you are having time with you. Drishi, you are waiting for me only. If I tell, then you on the camera.
Camera is on only.
Now it's on. Now it's on, right? Okay, fine. Shall I go to the next question, question number 4? All of you have no need to copy, I'll just send it anyway in the classroom. So now 4th question is, a cubical block 7 of side 7 centimeter surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the largest diameter of hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. Who will tell me how to do this question? Anyone can try this question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what to do. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter.
Okay, sir. So there is a cube whose top is surmounted by a hemisphere. And what is the greatest diameter? Okay, so here the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have is just 7 cm.
So I'm just drawing the cube here. This is
Okay,
the
sir.
cube. Okay. After that, I'm just drawing this part. This is here. Okay. 1 minute.
Sir,
I'll
it's
just-
a hemisphere, sir.
Wait, I'm just making 3-dimensional of this actually. It's like a cube, no?
Sir, you can just easily make it, sir.
Easily.
This will make it complicated.
Okay. So if you won't want to cube, then it's become difficult now. Surmounted by hemisphere. It means first you should make like this, no?
Yeah.
Because you can't understand if you don't draw.
Okay.
Yeah. Then hemisphere will be like this, correct? Means like it will cover. If you see this one, children, this is like a cover. It will one circle will cover, right? So it will cover
Yes,
in a like this will cover. Understood, children? How it is covered? It's not going to cover complete part. This corner part here and this corner part will be left behind. If you are going to put one hemisphere on this top, no, this corner part will be left behind. Can you imagine this, children? Can you imagine? This diameter of the hemisphere is same as the side of the hemisphere. Sorry, is same as the side of cubical. Like this is 7 only. This is 7 only. Means diameter is what? Diameter is 7. This side is also 7. Everything is 7 over here. Okay. So now we have to find that what is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have. Find the surface area of the solid. The first answer is what? Children, first answer is what is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? First answer is what?
7, sir.
7 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
You understood why this is 7 centimeter?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, find the surface area of the solid. What is this is very important question. Find the surface area of the solid. You have to think a lot in this.
Sir, we can do it like, sir, 5a square
5a square. Okay, fine. Then
plus,
plus
yeah, 2 pi, what can we say, 2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. Is it like this?
Yes, sir, we can do it like this, or else there
This is
is,
complete answer. This is a complete answer what you told.
no, sir. This is not the complete. We also have to
Okay,
add the edge of the leftover part also. So
Okay,
that
fine.
would be a square minus pi r square. So
Okay. See, I'm just telling you what to do. Here we have to find surface area of the solid. So first of all, children, you should think that which all part you can touch. Okay. So see, you can touch this part, this part, this part, this part, and this part you can touch in the corner part. Then you can touch complete the surface of the all 5 sides, excluding top. You can all touch all the 5 sides, children, or not? This part you can
Yes.
touch, this part you can touch, back, down, and left, right, everything you can touch except the top part. Except the top part you cannot touch, right?
Yeah.
So first you can write here what Samarth told. First you can write here 5a square. Area of the 5 sides. Okay, I'm writing here area of, I'm writing here surface area of solid is equal to surface area of solid is equals to area of 5 sides, area of 5 sides, okay, plus top part, what you can see, top part what you can see, CSA of hemisphere, right? CSA of hemisphere. What extra thing we should add, children? What extra thing we should add?
So
Praharshi?
we can minus the area of base of hemisphere.
Then you should take area of all 6 sides then. Okay. Then you should take area of all 6 sides. You were saying that one, so you can write here area of all 6 sides, or area of cube directly you can write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What you are saying, that is area of hemisphere, you subtract, but if you, in that way, if you want to write, you should write area of cube completely. Then you should not write here plus, you should write here minus over here. Minus area of what? Circle.
Base of the hemisphere.
Base of the hemisphere is the name of circle only. Okay, I write here base of hemisphere. You can write here base of hemisphere. You can imagine, children, what we are doing here. No, others. It's very complicated looks, right? Correct? No, others. See what
Sir,
I'm,
but I can understand.
yeah, see, you can understand. I can understand. See, area of cube means we are finding all the sides. Okay. But apart from the 6 sides, this part is not coming into picture. See, this orange part will not come. And that is nothing but area of the base of hemisphere, right? That's why we have subtracted area of cube minus area of base of hemisphere. This is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Then apart from it, we are adding CSA of hemisphere. That is this part of the hemisphere. Rasul, it's clear, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
So now we can use the formula and you can apply the formula now.
Sir,
Of,
can you explain again?
okay, see. Here, see, you are having one cubical block, and cubical is nothing but all the sides are equal. So we are finding here area of complete cube. And in the area of complete cube, we are not considering this part, this circle part of the hemisphere. That is area of the base of the hemisphere. So we have considered this orange part, you see, area of cube minus area of the base. Okay. Then apart from it, we are adding this hemispherical part. Hemispherical part we are adding over here. Now is it clear, Drishi?
Yes, sir.
All right. So area of the cube is equals to, what is area of cube? Area of cube. Total surface area of the cube you write here. This looks awkward. You should write TSA of cube, not area. TSA of cube. Okay, TSA of cube is equals to what we can write, Drishi?
6a square.
6a square plus Adarsh, CSA of hemisphere, 2 pi r square plus minus area of base of hemisphere, okay. Now 6a square, that is nothing but 6 into A. What is A over here? 7 square plus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. That is, what is radius? 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 divided by 2 minus pi r square, or better, no need to do this much. 2 pi r square minus pi r square is what? Pi r square only, no? 2 pi r square minus pi r square is pi r square only. So you can write here 6 into 49 plus 22 by 7 into radius, that is 3.5 into 3.5. So this got cancelled. 7 5s are 35. You can solve, children, here. 9 6 are 42, or 56 are 300. 300 minus 6, 294, plus 22 into 0.5 is 11, and 11 into 3.5. So 35, 35, 385, 38.5. So you can write here 5, 8, 4, 12, 4 and 9. 4 and 9 is 13, 332.5 centimeter square. Answer is same, just check, children. Answer is coming same or different?
Answer is same, sir.
Same only, 332.5.
Yeah, sir.
All right. Anyone having doubt? Hemant, today also your camera is not working. Hemant,
Sir, I just turned it off to drink water.
okay, fine. Nihant, all right. Now we are moving to question number 5. If you understand the concept, you can do any type of question. It may be NCERT or any book. Read the question, children, you are getting it or not. Hemispherical depression. Hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block.
Sir, it is a hemisphere inside the cube.
Okay. Like we are having no like ice full pack. One scoop we are finding it out, that cutting out like that only, no?
Yes, sir.
Depression, yeah, we are just digging it out like hemisphere. Means like one scope you are ice cream you are taking, no, like that, like hemisphere. The hemispherical depression is cut out from the cubical wooden block such that diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. The same way we draw here. First, all of all, you just draw the cube over here. कहाँ गया? I'm touching, why it's going back? If I'm touching, it is disappearing. See, it's like this. No, if I'm touching, this is disappearing automatically. What to do?
Sir, you have switched on the eraser, sir.
Eraser,
Yeah.
is it? No.
You can change it. Yeah. Now
Okay.
check.
Yeah, automatically it happened.
Yeah, it was actually the eraser. I saw the symbol and told.
Okay. So this is the wooden block, and here we are digging out hemisphere like this. Okay, we are digging the hemisphere from the middle like this. It will be digging out. Okay. So the radius, actually, this should touch full down. This one should touch full down of the hemisphere. Should full touch down. You can understand what I'm saying, because they are given here that the diameter of the hemisphere such that diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Edge of the cube means this hemisphere is like full down. It's coming like this, and you can see it will be like this only. Understood, children? How it is they are saying? The hemispherical is
Yes, sir.
cutting like this way.
Yes, sir.
So determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Who will tell me the surface area of the remaining solid? Surface area of remaining ing solid. So again, same thing, what we can touch the figure. Okay, so we can touch all the 5 sides, right, children?
Yes, sir.
What I'll write here separately, what we can touch. 5 sides we can touch. Then this top part, this part we can't touch, right? But we can touch this one. See, we can touch this part. If you see, we can touch this part, correct? And one more thing we can touch, the Praharsan. Apart from this, what we can touch? Praharsan. Once we can touch all the 5 sides, then we can touch this top part apart from the circle one. Again, other thing, what we can touch, Praharsan? Tell me. Can you tell me, Praharsan?
So can I tell?
Yeah, you can tell. I know. I'm asking Praharsan. Apply your mind, Praharsan. Suppose you are taking out scoop from the ice cream, like cubicle thing. Okay. So
Like the inside.
yeah, inside part. The inside part is what? Yeah, CSA of hemisphere part.
Hemisphere.
Yeah, that we can touch this one. Like, see, this one part we can touch. So better what you do, children? No, you can find all the 6 sides. Better, all the 6 sides you find, plus you can find the CSA of hemisphere, and then you subtract area of circle, this base of hemisphere. Understood what we are doing? First one is we are finding all the sides area of the cube. Second, we are adding CSA of hemisphere. Then we have to remove this one. This yellow part is there. No, we have to remove this one. So minus base of the hemisphere. Is it clear or not? Can you think, others?
Yes, sir.
You practice once. See, here we are teaching. No, so morning or sometime you just take out your time. Half an hour, you take out time. If you practice once, you'll be what? Sharper every time. But if not practice, means no use. Maths is like a practice thing. Okay. So this part is, now we can use a formula here. Right here, 6 sides, 6a square plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square minus base of hemisphere pi r square. So 6a square, 6 into a. A is nothing but diameter L. Children, see what they have given here. Side is L, right? Edge of the cube is L and diameter is L. So diameter is L. It means radius is equals to what? L by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Diameter is length, that is your L, and radius is L by 2. And A is nothing but L only, because they have given here diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Now put the value over here. A is nothing but L square plus 2 into 22 by 7 into R, that is L by 2 whole square Not pi r square directly would be, no, better. 6l square plus pi r square. Pi r square. So 6l square plus pi, that is 22/7, into radius, that is L by 2 whole square. So we can write it as 6l square plus 22/7 into L square by 4. So here cancel 2, here 11. So 6l square plus 11l square divided by 14. Huh? What is coming? Something, it's not like that, no. 6l square. What is coming? This is not the pakka answer. This is not the pakka answer, right? Something we have to decorate this answer, I think. In this, we have to decorate the answer. What is the answer? What?
LCM is 14, sir.
LCM is 14.
Has 14.
If you take LCM is 14, then 14 6 are 84. 84 L square plus 11 L square. 84.
95 L square by 14.
So this is not the correct answer, I think. I believe this will never come. Something we are doing mistakes then. Check the answer. What is coming? Something different only will come. This is not the correct answer.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Hmm.
Oh, here it's not it, sir. Here I thought L square by 2 you have written. It must be 4, I think. But it was correct, sir.
6l square plus pi r square. This is correct only. So pi r square, pi is 22/7, r is L by 2. R is L by 2 only, no? Yeah.
Sir, what if we take the pi as 3.14?
What is the answer you are getting? Just check the textbook. What the answer is given at the back.
Okay, sir, just a minute.
CSC of hemisphere. Yeah,